Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. AUD USD depressed near 1 week low under 0.7300, Aussie Retail Sales, US NFP IDE http ntvforex.com News ID 7B1B5B 3 minutes ago by Anil Panchal. AUD USD sellers attack lower end of the recent 0.726582 trading range after flashing 3-day losing streak. US dollar index staged 3-day run-up despite mixed data. Wall Street portrayed the sea of red with Nasdaq down 5.0%, S&P 500 off 3.5%. Risk catalysts: Australia's final version of July retail sales can entertain traders during the pre-NFP trading lull. AUD/USD remains on the back foot after posting the biggest losses in a month. The Aussie pair begins the key trading day, comprising the US employment data, while keeping the recent 0.726582 range, currently around 0.7275, at the start of Friday's Asian session. The pair's declines are mostly attributed to the US dollar's sustained pullback from the multi-month low, followed by a slump in the Wall Street benchmarks. Also weighing the quote could be worried concerning the US stimulus and escalating Sino-American tension. Is it still a pullback after losing 140 pips so far during September? AUD/USD questions the bulls to reassess their bets. Though, the previous 5-month rally from the sub-0.6000 area terms the recent declines as a mere consolidation than anything else. Even so, market players need to be cautious as the US dollar index DXY probes a 3-week-old resistance line following its U-turn from a 28-month low. The greenback gauge respects the market's rush to risk safety amid uncertainty over the American stimulus and escalating US-China tension. Also favoring the US currency could be the Fed policymaker Saw Clear's view of keeping the monetary policy easy and without doubt, unlike others on the line that still lack directions. It's worth mentioning that the US jobless claims and the activity numbers were also less harmful on Thursday. The same reversed fears of a heavy disappointment from today's non-farm payrolls NFP after Wednesday's ADP data slipped below marked consensus of 950K to 428K. Elsewhere, China's Global Times GT recently threatened the US to cut its American debt holdings after the Trump administration announced extra hardships for Beijing diplomats. One should know that China is the world's second largest holder of US debt. Against this backdrop, Wall Street benchmarks witnessed the sea of red led by the Nasdaq's 5.0% losses and 1.5 basis points of the US 10-year Treasury yields. Read NBSP. Wall Street closed tech rout takes S&P and Dow into a tailspin. Moving on, traders may get intermediate clues from July month's final reading of retail sales, expected 3.3% initially, as well as the key risk catalysts like the coronavirus COVID-19 updates, US stimulus news and the US-China tensions. However, a lack of liquidity can be witnessed during the generally following pre-NFP trading lull. Read NBSP non-farm payrolls preview. Fed's policy shift to introduce vital noise. Technical analysis having slipped below an ascending trend line from July 31, the pair trades near the late August top with the 21-day EMA level, around 0.7240, acting as immediate support. However, the buyers may remain hopeful unless the quote slips below an upward sloping support line from July 14, at 0.7210. Additional important levels overview today: last price 0.7274, today daily change 65 pips, today daily change percent 0.89%, today daily open 0.7339, NBSP trends daily SMA 20 0.7223, daily SMA 50 0.7105, daily SMA 100 0.6868, daily SMA 200 0.6741, NBSP levels previous daily high 0. 0.7382 previous daily low 0.73 previous weekly high 0.7369 previous weekly low 0.715 previous monthly high 0.7416 previous monthly low 0.7076 daily Fibonacci 38.2% 0.7332 daily Fibonacci 61.8% 0.7351 daily pivot point S1 0.7299 daily pivot point S2 0.7259 daily pivot point S3 0.7217 daily pivot point R1 0.738 daily pivot point R2 0.7422 daily pivot point R3 0.7462 NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.